Yo, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel, and today you join me on a very windy day on the Fens. So let's go see what things we can go and find in the neighbouring fields. Might not see any farming, or might just see some crops. So I am going to get my tripod out, but this is just a little field next to my nan's house. So this is a grass field. It was cut for hay last year, and it looks like it had some sunflowers and wildflowers in as well. So it's sort of like a rewilding project, I guess. Maybe it's just a small field, so that's why it probably isn't planted up with wheat or anything. It's like a dead sunflower over there as well. So yeah, that's the first field. So this is a reservoir that the farm has actually made. It used to be a field, and yeah, so this is a reservoir, and I think it's used for irrigation of potatoes and sugar beet. There's some concrete over there, and yeah, there's the busy road we have to cross and go all down there, and then there's the farm over there. Then that's Ely's that way. So yeah, it looks nice and fresh as well, fresh water. And I guess he comes with like a, I don't know what, sprayer, or I don't know, but yeah, it's good. It's good. It also provides like natural like water and stuff for wildlife and things like that. So yeah, good environmental work, really. And then it looks like there's going to be there was in 2-3 years planning a solar farm on over there, which would be an amazing shame, because you can, like in Buckinghamshire, where the soil is awful, not very nutrient, not like here, you can put a solar farm there, but or like a wind turbine, but the soil here is one of a kind, really, and we need it to grow potatoes and stuff. And I went to the Ely Museum, and there's loads of stuff about farming there, so I'll put on some pictures now. Yeah, my granddad was saying it's over yeah, loads of land. It's going to be taken up with solar panels and these plastic things, and good farming land as well. And it's only going to provide around 100,000 homes, which 100,000, which isn't a lot for the loss of land, really. Yeah, if it's half the country, then that's fine, but it's not good, and I doubt the farmers will want it either. Look, like a farm or something over there. Sorry about the wind, but I don't know what crop that is. It's wheat, the rest of it. And that one's like, maybe it was a massive like wet patch or something. Doesn't look, maybe it's wildflower meadow or some grass, I'm not sure. There's like a heap of something out there, like muck or I don't know. Right, just here at this weird, is it beans? Yeah, definitely muck or something over there. Maybe it's very recently drilled beans. It does actually look quite a lot like beans, actually. It's quite early for spring beans, though. Is that a farm? It's not the farmer over there. Well, it might be. You might have to have a chat with him. That'd be good, wouldn't it? Maybe take us around his machinery. And that needs stone picking. Quite badly, actually. That's very stony. So it looks like a massive wet patch here. But quite thin wheat or barley, again needs stone picking. I may be wrong, but I think that's actually barley and that's wheat, because that's quite a lighter colour. I could be wrong. If I'm wrong, comment down below. And up here, it looks like they've been doing some muck spreading. There's like a remnants of a muck pile over there. Sadly, no tractors so far. That field looks like it's been cultivated, the very black soil, as usual. Sorry about the wind again, but yeah, that field's been cultivated. Yeah, again, excuse me. You can exactly see it. There's like a massive hole how the black was changed. That's like a new MAN at the turn. It's not an army tanker thing. Yeah, there's a massive MAN turner sort of depot just up the road from here. Yeah, look, there's definitely a different texture. And then like a big lump. That looks quite cletty as well. Oh, that is, that's like a horse cultivator, and there's another cultivator thing here. Looks like it's been sitting outside for quite a while. Not too rusty. Doesn't look like it gets used very often. And yeah, this is still that might be the machinery store, but it looks fairly young. Comment down below if you know what that is used for. I do. I think that is where the sprayer is stored, right next to like the chemical tank maybe. So this farm is called East Fen Farms, and that's another Bailey trailer over there. And looks like the potato boxes, and another, that's a Norton trailer with a hedge trimmer and some spare John Deere tyres. Vero. Nice daft wagon. Looks like a farm. Looks like this bit is just kept. Going to be ploughed up soon, maybe spring oats. Don't know. Looks for the weeds really. Another small field of wheat or barley. Quite yellow and nice. Wow, look at that. Very nice. At least we've seen one tractor for today then. Oh dear. Oh, that's fine. What's that tractor? We know. John Deere, it's just been trailing, I've been watching it. Very nice. Wash. Seeder on the back. Very nice. Just been out on the field, so yeah. And there's some seed potatoes over here. This is near Soham.